Hi, Ensign College students. Starting in spring semester, Ensign is moving to a 7-week block schedule. Instead of one 14-week semester, we will have 2 7-week blocks per semester with a week-long break between the blocks. Why would we do such a thing? The answer is simple. Research shows that students do better on a 7-week block schedule. Even students who struggle are more likely to finish their courses and graduate on time.
I've heard that 7-week blocks are all the work in half the time. Won't that be harder than our current schedule?
That's a great question. It's actually the same amount of work. What is different is how it's structured. You're taking 5 14-week courses this semester, right?
Right. I have to plan my schedule and study time around 5 different subjects, instructors, and project groups.
That's a lot to juggle. When you have to switch subjects so frequently, it's easy to lose focus. With 7-week blocks, you will take only 2 or 3 courses per block. This means less switching between subjects, which can be a lot easier to handle, and it makes it a lot easier to focus on each subject.
Okay, so I only have to focus on 2 or 3 classes at a time. That makes a lot more sense. Thanks.
But what if I'm not a full-time student? I work full-time, so I only take 2 evening classes each semester.
No problem. Now you can take just 1 class per block, allowing you to focus on one topic at a time. What's even better is that if life gets really complicated in the middle of the semester, you can just take a break during the second block without damaging your grades.
What about international students? Are there any rules for us?
Yes, there are. This is important. To maintain your visa, you need to register for all of your classes in both blocks before the semester starts, a total of at least 12 credits. You also need to be sure that at least half your credits in each block are in person, not online. Visit the website for more information.
Thanks, I will. I'm guessing I can talk to my advisor or the International Student Office if I have more questions, right?
That's right.
What about my scholarship and financial aid?
Great question. Federal loans and most scholarships are granted on a semester basis. This means that, like international students, you need to register for all your classes in both blocks before the semester starts. If your total number of credits drops during the semester, your aid will be affected. So talk to the financial aid office if your plans change.
Okay, so this all sounds great, but it'll also take some time getting used to it.
You're right. Each student situation is unique, and it will take some adjustment. We're confident that as we get started and adjust our thinking, any bumps will even out. If you have specific needs and questions, talk to your advisor. They can help you figure out the schedule that works for you.
Thanks. I'll make an appointment now.